What stocks should you own for an economic recovery? David Dietz, President and Chief Investment Strategist with Point View Financial Services. Uri Landesman is President with Platinum Advisors. All right, let's start with Uri. What do you got for us, Uri?
We got a couple of stocks here today, Mark. In the technology space, we have Belden, which is about better manufacturing, industrial Ethernet connectivity. This is a company that's going to benefit from increased industrial activity, have basically remade the company through a series of divestitures and investments, looking to get margins first up to about the 10% range, then to 15%. There's $3 of earnings power here. We think this is a very, very cheap stock. We're also looking at...
Uri, before we move on, Belden makes wire, right? I mean, basically, it's a wire company.
Right, industrial Ethernet and connectivity products.
But it's wire. In an age of wireless, where does Belden fit in?
There's still very many areas of manufacturing that require Belden's products. In terms of smart and better manufacturing, they're really at the vanguard. Some of the recent acquisitions speak specifically to this space, and we think they're going to benefit from both an increase in manufacturing and smarter manufacturing as we go forward.
All right, David Dietz, why should I buy Marathon Oil?
Okay, well, there's no better beneficiary in the economic recovery than fossil fuel companies. I mean, fourth quarter earnings should be up 118% for the group. Now, what's special about Marathon Oil? Globally diversified, Indonesia, Norway, across the country. They also have 6 refineries, which actually has been holding them back. Now, today it's a merger Monday. We think there's a pickup in M&A activity, financial reengineering. The sum of the parts at Marathon Oil's worth a lot more than it's trading at today. If they're somehow to jettison off those refineries, I think you could see a big uptick in the stock price. While you're waiting, you're getting above average 2.7% dividend. Very attractive.
And you like Bank America as a play on the recovery, huh?
Hey, the financial services industry is your number one sector in terms of earnings growth from the fourth quarter, up 250%. So go with the largest player in the sector, your only coast-to-coast play. If we cannot have an economic recovery unless residential real estate and the mortgages associated rebound with it.
You're almost out of time, but you wanted to tell us about Micro Semi.
Absolutely. Company very, very tied into aerospace defense, scanning at airports. Another company that made a recent acquisition that grew the company by 75%. Very, very cheap, 12 times forward, 9-month earnings. Really a good play here.
All right, gentlemen, David Dietz, Uri Landesman, thank you both very much.
Great pleasure.